everybody, I got 4 videos for you today. I got 4 of them today. There's going to be one about drinking and driving. There's going to be other ones about truck drivers driving and they're not paying attention, looking in their seats while they're driving. You know what I'm saying? Y'all ready for it? Let's go. You know what we do. Alright, so we're going to watch this truck driver right here. Right? He's going to leave his seat. He's going to leave his seat. And something's going to happen. Y'all already know. Something's going to happen. Watch this. I mean, I ain't going to say nothing. Watch this right here. He's looking. Keep an eye on the road, but he's still looking back. Not paying attention. Going to get completely out of his seat and go in the back while the truck is going. And you see the dash cam up in the front, right? Bam, look at this. Now it's too late. Now it's too late. Alright, let's watch this right here. Watch this guy right here. Already not paying attention. Already fumbling with his bag. Not paying attention. Eyes not on the road. Look at him. Eyes not on the road. Not even paying attention. Wow. Come on, man. He's gonna put his bag over there in the seat. Alright, now we're gonna watch a video by Official Business 9912. Like, watch this right here. This truck driver was drinking, and watch this officer right here how he talks.
They're gonna get lighter, alright?
Sergeant Ellington, what did you find today?
Today I stopped the truck for not wearing a seatbelt. Upon talking with the driver, asking what was in his cooler, he identified that he had some alcoholic beverages in his cooler. So I found 4 Busch Light 12 ounce and then a Cayman Jack margarita. And it's unlawful to have and possess alcohol in a commercial motor vehicle. Also found out that the driver has a warrant out of East Point, Georgia, and so he's going to be transported for his warrant. And we got the no CDLs. He didn't have his CDLs. It was downgraded not to valid medical status. So.
Here's another dude right here. He's not paying attention. Maybe he is paying attention right now, but he's not going to be paying attention. Y'all see what I'm talking about. On a cell phone. Right here on the cell phone. Look at that. Ah, there you go. It's going to happen every time. It's going to happen every time. Hey, thanks for watching. Y'all know what we do over here on this channel. Let's watch these videos. Let's educate. Let's not get into accidents and things like that. Y'all already know. Let's go. Rock so.